Students, in the last section about the matrices and matrices, we have seen different operations and different problems. Some problems are worked out on scalar, multiplication, addition, all those things. We will work out some more problems. So which problem? Third problem. Two problems already completed. So third problem. Solve for x and y given that x into 2 1 plus y into 3 5 plus 4 6 equal to 12 17. So this is a problem. We want to find out x and y. So method is simple. So what is the method? So what is the answer? How to do it? So we will do first. Simplify the left hand side. Scalar multiplication will be done first. This one will be multiplied. Then add left hand side add. You will get right hand side. You will get some matrix of the same order as this one. Compare the two. Then you can find out what is the value of x, what is the value of y. So let us do it. Left hand side I call. Left hand side equal to 2x x multiplied by x into 2 2x x into 1 x plus same way 3y 5y 3y 5y plus 4 6 equal to 12 17. So that is the right hand side given. This is RHS given right hand side. Now left hand side add these three add corresponding elements add, that is 2x plus 3y add all the elements plus 4 below x plus 5y plus 6 x plus 5y plus 6 equal to right hand side 12 17. Simplify by comparing. So what you get? That is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 12. X plus 5y plus 6 x plus 5y plus 6 equal to 17. So this implies 2x. This implies what it implies? 2x plus 3y equal to 12 minus 4. 4 take to the other side. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Let me call it as 1. The other one is x plus 5y equal to 17 minus 6. So 11. X plus 5y equal to 11. Call it as 2. So you have two equations, 1 and 2 unknowns x and y. All of you know how to solve it. So now I will solve it. So how to solve? Here 2x is there, here x is there. So what I will do is, you can use any method what you have studied in first year. So I will multiply this by 2, second equation by 2. So now we will complete it by solving. So 2 into equation 2 gives 2 into 2 into equation 2 gives what gives 2x plus 10y gives 2x plus 10y equal to 22, call it as 3. 2x plus 10y equal to 22, call it as 3. Now 3 minus 1 I will do. 3 minus 1, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 gives, what it gives? 2x cancels, 10y minus 3y, 7y, 7y, 22 minus 8, 14. So 7y equal to 14, y equal to 2. So y will got now, correct? 3 minus 1, 2x cancels, 10y minus 3y, 7y, 22 minus 8, 14. So you got y, you can use it in any one of the equation 1 or 2 and get the value of x. Let me use it in, say, equation 2. From equation 2, using y equal to 2 in equation 2, any equation you can use, we get x plus 5y, 5 into y is into 2 equal to x plus 5y equal to 11. So rewrite x plus 10 equal to 11, x equal to 11 minus 10, 1. 5 into 2 is 10. So you take to the other side, if you want you can write one more steps. X plus 10 equal to 11 implies that is x equal to 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2 are the two values for x and y respectively. This is how we can solve. So use the scalar multiplication method. I mean here we have done the scalar multiplication to left, then add, then compare the corresponding elements. First element with the first element, like that, comparing these. Always compare the corresponding elements of left hand side. Here only 2 order 2 cross 1. Not many elements are there. Compare. We get two equations, two unknowns. There are many methods. I will use this method and complete. This is how we can complete this problem or solve this problem. Students, we will continue the problem. So next problem number 4. Find x, y, z. Find x, y, z. Given that x2 3 4 5 minus 6 7 minus 8 9 minus 5 3 2 1 2y minus 4 9 minus 8 7 equal to 13 minus 2 7 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2z1 17 2z1. So the problem is find x, y, z. Given that 4 into x2 3 4 5 minus 6 7 minus 8 9 minus 5 3 2 1 2y minus 4 9 minus 8 7 equal to 13 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2z1. Same method as the last problem we have done. So what we will be doing is, so expand the left hand side, compare with the right hand side. So comparing means you have to compare the corresponding elements. So first do the left hand side. Let us do the left hand side. So answer left hand side equal to. So first I will multiply. So multiply 4 into. So multiply to each element. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. Same way, 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into minus 6, minus 24. Next, 4 into 7, 28. 4 into minus 8, minus 32. 4 into 9, 36. So multiply. Second one also multiply. So minus 5 into, so 5 into all those things. 5 to 3, 15. Next to 10, next to 5. 3 to 1. Next 10. 5y, 5 into y is 5y. 5 into minus 4, minus 20. 5 into 9, 45. 5 into minus 8, minus 40. Next 5 into 7, 35. Equal to, we calculate what it is. Equal to, okay, right hand side, 13 minus 2, 7. 6 minus 5 minus 4. Minus 17, 2z, 1. So it is given RHS, right hand side, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now, so simplify this, subtract one from the other. So corresponding elements, that is 4x minus 15. Next, 8 minus 10. 4x minus 15 first. Next, 8 minus 10. So minus 2. 12 minus 5, 7. Next, 16 minus 10, 6. 20 minus 5y, 20 minus 5y. 5y. Next one, minus 24, minus 20. So minus 24, minus will become plus. Minus 24 plus 20. So minus 4. Next one, 28 minus 45. So 17 minus 17, 28 minus 45. Next minus 32, minus will become again plus, minus 40. So minus 32 plus 40, so plus 8. So last one, 36 minus 35, 1. Equal to, so given, you know the right hand side, 13 minus 2, 7. 7. Next, 6 minus 5, minus 4. 6 minus 5, minus 4, that is given already. Minus 17, 2z, 1. Minus 17, 2z, 1. So now compare the left hand side and right hand side. So comparing left hand side and right hand side, what do you get? We get, see, minus 2, 7, both same. 6 minus 4, same, all the elements. Minus 17, 1 same. So only remaining 4x minus 15 equal to 4x minus 15 equal to 13. One comparison. So that is other one. 20 minus 5y. Next one is 20 minus 5y equal to minus 5. Last one, 8 equal to 2z. 2z equal to 8. So simplify. So first one, 4x minus 15 equal to 13. That will give you what? 4x equal to minus 15, it will be the other side, plus 15. 4x, 13 plus 15 is 28. 4x equal to 28. Okay? Or here, 20 minus 5y is minus 5. Take this to the other side. So minus 5y equal to minus 25. Last one, 2z equal to 8. That is z equal to 4. You can directly write. So z equal to 4. Z equal to 4 is what now already? Okay, this is also simple. X equal x 28, x is equal to 7. Last one minus 5y equal to minus 25. Minus minus will cancel. We will get 5y equal to 25. Y equal to 5. So we are able to solve and got the values x equal to 7, y equal to 5, z equal to 4. Again, briefly I am telling you, just expand whatever given on the left hand side. So then subtract one from the other. This subtraction is done here. So we will get like this. This is after subtraction. Then compare the corresponding elements of the left hand side and right hand side. Then get the value of x, y, z. Next topic is so let us go to the next topic. Transpose. Next topic is transpose. So what do you mean by transpose? Transpose is nothing but interchange of rows and columns. Interchange of rows and columns. So what are row elements? They will become column elements. Transpose. How it will work out? If a matrix A has m rows and n columns, m rows and n columns. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then its transpose is given by a dash. We use this symbol or a t. Like this also, both are same. A dash or a t you write. That is A transpose only. This will have so n rows and m columns. N rows and m columns. So m into n will become. So this is m into n. A is m into n. A transpose will become n cross m. For example, let A equal to say 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is its transpose? A transpose would be equal to, observe, this is first row, 2, 3, this is first row. So this will become first column. So I will write like this 2, 3. Next second row 4, 5 I am having 4, 5. So that will become second column. This is A transpose. Here this is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. So 2, 3. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. This is transpose. One more example I will give you. B equal to. One more example. B equal to, observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is its order? Its order is 1, 2, 3. So 3 cross 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. Let us transpose this. So B transpose equal to, observe here, B transpose equal to, so first row will become first column. So 1, 2. Right like this. Second row 3, 4, second column. Third row 5, 6, so 5, third column. Like this. So 1, 2, first row it is here. 1 to first row it will become first column. 3, 4, second row it will become second column. Last one 5, 6, third row will become 5, 6 as a third column here. So observe here, this is 3 cross 2 matrix. What about this? This is 2 cross 3 matrix. In general, if you transpose M cross N will become N cross M. And further observe here, for example, this is A11, this is also A11, also B11, okay, we call B11, this is B11. Just I am giving B11, B12 like that for P matrix. This is what B11 means first row, first column. B12 means first row, B12 means first row, second column. B12 that will become here B21 second row, first column. B21 means second row, first column. That you have to remember. So B12 will become B21. Here B21 second row, first column will become what? Will become first row, second column. Just change this. So what? Again, this is second row, second column. This is second row, second column. Two only. Last one. Third row, first column. What about this? First row, third column. So just reverse. So what I am saying is generally Aij, if you transpose, its transpose will be, transpose element will be, if you transpose it will become Aj. Aij will become Aj in the new matrix, that is transposed matrix. Aij will become Aj in the transposed matrix, in the new matrix. So this is transposing. So remember, A12 become A21 element, A14 will become A41, A32 will become A23. It should go on like this. So that is what is transpose means, interchanges of rows and columns. Now further, you observe here, I will transpose this further. This one I will again transpose ATT. I will further transpose this. Transpose of transpose. Transpose of transpose. What is this? This is equal to, observe. So this one 2, 4. So this should be written as column. 3, 5. 2, 4 is row. That should be written as first row will become first column. 3, 5 will become second column. 3, 5. Now observe that 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. That means what? A transpose equal to A. Both are one the same. So therefore, what I can say is A transpose of transpose is A only. See how to remember. So A equal to A transpose, it's transpose. Transpose of transpose.